Good morning students. Let's start with map work. In this video I am going to explain the locations of soils of India, then the directions of monsoon winds, mineral deposits of India, important cities, and least and dense population of India. So let's start with the important directions of monsoon wind. See in this slide, these black arrows, indicate southwest monsoon wind. Southwest monsoon winds that comes from Australia, and in Australia these winds are called southeast trade wind. But when these winds crosses 0-degree equator due to Coriolis force, these winds get deflected toward India, and these winds are called southwest monsoon, or it is also known as advancing monsoon. When these winds enter in India, these winds divide in two parts. These arrows indicate southwest monsoon of Arabian Sea branch, and these arrows toward Bay of Bengal, these are called southwest monsoon Bay of Bengal branch. Now in this slide, these arrows indicate these are northeast monsoon wind. So these are northeast monsoon wind. Basically during winter, these winds, we can say the winds originate in Mediterranean Sea. We can say temperate cyclones, western disturbances originate in Mediterranean Sea, and these winds are pushed by westerly jet stream towards Afghanistan, Pakistan, and these winds enter in India. And when these winds enter in Bay of Bengal and Arakan mountain, that is in Myanmar, when the winds get deflected due to Arakan range, then these winds will change their direction, and these winds are known as northeast monsoon. So during winter, northeast monsoon winds blow. Next, mineral deposits. As we know, Jharia is the oldest coal field in India. So this is the location of Jharia, that is in Jharkhand. Singbam, that is important iron ore mine. Next location is Digboi. Digboi is the oldest oil field in Assam. Next is Mumbai High. Mumbai High is important offshore oil field of India. So this slide that tells you about the major soils of India. So the first one, that dark grey color indicate with mountain soil. So this Jammu Kashmir, we can say Uttarakhand, so Himachal Pradesh, part of Sikkim, part of Arunachal Pradesh are covered with mountain soil. And next to mountain soil, this northern plains, Punjab, Haryana, UP, these are the areas covered with alluvial soil. And this area toward the southeast side, we can say this region is covered with red soil. And this part of Deccan Plateau, this region is covered with black soil. And part of Rajasthan is covered with desert soil. Next is laterite soil. Here, as we know, the important physical feature located here, Western Ghat, and this side Eastern Ghat. So the summit means the top part of Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat are covered with laterite soil. So these are the areas covered with different soil. Next, we have the density of population. So we can say person per square kilometer. above 1200 person per square kilometer indicated with red color. So Delhi and we can say Chennai. These two parts of India are most densely populated part of India. And we can say the least population density, where the population density is very less. So these are the areas, especially Arunachal Pradesh. Why there is very less population in Arunachal Pradesh? Because that is covered with rugged mountain, uneven mountain range. Then we have the next Delhi and Chennai because of lots of resources, availability of job. So availability of resources, there are various factors due to which the population density is very high. These are the important cities. And here you can see this is the map of river also. So the important rivers are Indus. As we know, there are three perennial rivers of India: Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. So Indus having 5 tributaries: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas, Satluj. And then we have Ganga, next perennial river, and there are different tributaries. Now toward this Chambal Betwa, we can say these are the right bank tributaries of Ganga, and Gomti, Ghaggar, these are the left bank tributaries of Ganga. Brahmaputra that enter in India from the northeast part of India, from Arunachal Pradesh. So this river having 3 different names: Sangpo in Tibet, Brahmaputra in India, and we have the next name, we can say Jamuna in Bangladesh. So Padma, that is Ganga in Bangladesh, and Brahmaputra is known as Jamuna in Bangladesh. So together Brahmaputra and Ganga river, that forms Ganga Brahmaputra delta. So next river toward peninsular plateau, these are seasonal rivers: Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna. Important tributary of Krishna is Tungabhadra, Kaveri. So these are the important rivers of India. And these are the important cities: Srinagar, Chandigarh, Delhi. Delhi is National Capital Region or National Capital Territory of India. Allahabad, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, Bengaluru, Kochi, Mumbai. These are the important cities of India. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.